I'm back here at the Bearspaw Clubhouse for an update. As you can see behind me, some really fun things are taking shape. The exterior of the clubhouse is really starting to take shape. This is the cart staging area. As you can see, a big planter that'll be a landscape area. And where I'm standing right now is where carts will be staged. You look out into where the parking lot is, there's painting happening, where cars will be parked. And everything on the exterior of this clubhouse is starting to come together. Last time we were in this clubhouse, we went through the main entrance. This is actually one of our secondary entrances, but this will definitely be a very busy corridor. Right behind me here is actually one of our private dining rooms. It's pretty much done, giving you just a little bit of a sneak peek today on how far this clubhouse has come in the last little while. As we continue along here, there's going to be more dining, and this is going to be where the heartbeat of the entire clubhouse actually is. To my left, additional place for dining, and then we're gonna move right into the bar area. Definitely gonna be the most busy part of the clubhouse. I've talked about our center courtyard on the right before. It's gonna be an outdoor courtyard that's gonna have some seating area, the quiet space, and is really gonna be special. Before I let you go today, I wanna let you know on Monday night at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, we're gonna be going live on the Bearspaw Golf Club Instagram page. Join us there. One of my partners is going to be doing a walk through the entire clubhouse. You can get more insight there. But before I let you go, I want to take you outside to have a look at how beautiful this view is overlooking the 9th and 18th holes. And in the distance, you can see the beautiful Rocky Mountains. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. We'd really appreciate it. Of course, hit that like button, that notification bell. We'll see you next time.